I'm Simon Bishop. I run Corpay Singapore, the cross-border division. My background's quite extensive. I started off in markets in 1995. I did 7 years as a trader on the investment bank in Australia. I then moved across into my own financial consulting business, which I ran for 7 years. In 2010, I moved back into the payment space, of which since 2017, I've been based in Asia, doing 5 years in Hong Kong, and then moving across to run the Corpay Singapore business since 2022. A customer for our client base in Singapore is wide and varied. We may have a fruit importer importing oranges, apples, anything of that nature, right through to somebody importing primary products used in manufacturing within Singapore. We also have a large client base which exports from Singapore as well, across primarily the ASEAN region, but also wider across the globe. Our client base is generally someone that has around $5 to $100 million worth of FX volume. The reason for this is we can really start to add value in that space. We get the ability to understand your business, connect directly with the decision makers within that business, and help support and put together a bespoke solution to give the outcome that they're looking for. Just as we've got a wide and varied customer base, we also have a wide and varied solution set. The first thing we do is we look at payment automation. This encompasses both having a great rate, but also specifically making sure we get the payment where it needs to get to as quickly as possible. The second part of our business is risk management, which is where we sit down with a client, we put together a bespoke solution after we understand your needs, and put together something that allows you to be successful both now and in the future. The final part of our product offering is an alternative banking solution. This solution, we can provide you with a multi-currency account. It could be in US dollars or euro or sterling or a number of other currencies, which allow you to receive in your name an amount of money that you've invoiced to your clients or that you want to pay out of your account. The biggest misconception that we find in the marketplace is that we can't do what banks do. But in fact, because we are specifically focused on foreign exchange and cross-border payments, we can do everything that your bank can do and often more. We can get payments there faster, at better rates, provide really wide-ranging risk management solutions, and ultimately even provide you multi-currency accounts for utilization within your business. There are a couple of ways that we cover off regulatory compliance in Singapore. Number one, we are licensed by the MAS, fully licensed, and everything that is attached to that, inclusive of capital requirements, are something that we abide by. Secondly, our global network of compliance teams allow us to have very, very strong systems and process to ensure that we're compliant at all times. Thirdly, we've actually got an on-ground in Singapore compliance team. What's the advantage of this? We understand local nuances, and we make sure that we're compliant not only from the regulation perspective, but ensuring that our clients are making payments where they need to go in the right manner. What makes Corpay Cross-Border different? Payments is all that we do. We focus on that. We don't offer banking services outside of our multi-currency accounts, so we're not interested in lending and other items like that. We're interested in your cross-border payment, and because we're focused on that, we're experts.